I'm going to see that you don't sleep. We start with Venus. Venus as a planet. I'm going to try to make it as interactive as possible so that it would be easy for you to understand. Modern day Shukracharya, Osho. Osho's theme is love. So if you imagine Osho, what does he say? He is a Brahmin, he is a Jain basically, a Sattvic person. He says love is everything. He says meditation is dancing. You dance, you go into a trance, that is meditation. He says sex should be free. This appeals to everybody compared to Brihaspati. So Osho, you can say, is a modern day Shukracharya. So what does Shukracharya say? Shukracharya says that after heavy work like what we have done, you should have a break. You should enjoy life. You should get married. You should have children. You can have extramarital affair also. Provided you don't harm anyone. पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. राहु आ गया तो पता चल जाएगा. Rahu reveals all your secrets. See, because demons, if you try to explain to demons, you should be sattvic, is it possible? Will a Rakshas understand that? It is impossible. So what he says, Ki Baba, he is a teacher of demons. Ki Baba, you enjoy, you do whatever you want, but see that you are not syphilitic. Means positive psychosis is what is Venus. So we have got a positive side and we have got a negative side. Like I said, there are positive sides of planet and negative side of planets. So positive side, what he says, okay, you watch a porn, but don't rape anybody. So that is the positivity. So you enjoy your life, you earn, you be flamboyant, you go for brands. But see that you are not harming anybody. This jealousy is not a positive Shukra. Even though it is psychosis. It is possessing or beauty, love, sex. This is all about Shukra. He says that, okay, you can be in Grahastha ashram, you can enjoy, but you don't need to harm anybody. So this is the language demons will understand. So positive Venus is love plus attraction. Means it is the sensitivity plus attraction part. That is positive Venus. Means suppose you are not able to meditate, so you dance and you go and you meditate. That is what Osho says. What he says, that you enjoy everything, then you will feel that there is nothing in it. You have relations, but then you will feel that isme kya hai? Then you will get detached from all these things. That is what Osho's theory is. Whatever I heard about him, that is what he says. Baba, you go into that Sufi dancing. You dance, and you go into a meditative state. That is Shukra. So he is also Sattvic, he is a Brahmin. So we have got a positive Shukra and negative Shukra. Positive Shukra is Jodha of Aishwarya. Aishwarya basically. Beauty, jewellery, gems, aristocratic. She looks like a queen, so palladium, the remedy. So you don't feel sexually attracted to this female. You appreciate her beauty. So So this love and appreciation is positive Venus. Negative Venus, Sunny Leon. Difficult to find a decent photo. This was the most decent I found from net. So very easy to understand. This is the positive part of Venus in you. Now what you have to imagine, see, these planets, if we say they are outside, they are inside you also. So positive aspects as well as negative aspects are present in you also. It is the macroplasm and microplasm basically. So all qualities are present in you as well as outside. That is how you interrelate. What are the importance of planets? This is what it is. That you have this positive part, you have this negative part in you. The choice is there with you what to exhibit. The choice always is there with you. That is the karma again. So this one is the palladium part, the other is the Sancris. So if Venus is strong in your chart, unafflicted, positive, you can be Aishwarya Rai. Negative, you can be Sunny Leon. So both exist in a same person. So what is disease? Whenever there is disharmony, you land up in disease. So this is disharmony. Excessive positiveness is also bad, because that's why she is palladium. Negative is also bad. So there should be a balance somewhere between both the things together. So again, positive Venus is beauty, jewelry, enjoying life. Negative Venus is sexuality, immorality. So when Shukra is positive, this is the thing, Shukra is afflicted by bad planets like Rahu and all, so you get the negative part of Venus. So think of all heroines. Venus means it is attraction, it is leisure, it is beauty, it is luxury, it is entertainment. You need a break, you need to entertain yourself. It is the dessert, sweet dish, but excessive sweet leads to diabetes. So he is a guru of Danavas, Rakshasa, but ultimate want. But then he always compares himself with Guru, means Brihaspati, gods. That is why he wants demons to be gods basically. He wants demons to rule. Venus, Shukracharya. But then he can never conquer God. So Venus can never overcome Jupiter. Because Jupiter is all about contentment, all about sattvic. Venus is basically psychosis or rajasic planet. So it denotes enjoyment. So for Kali Yuga, what we are living, Venus becomes a very important part. So psychosis is we are at present in a psychotic generation. Psychosis becomes the most important part in us. Sex, glamour, money, extramarital relations, alcohol, number of female friends. Like I told you, you have got Venus in 5th house, more attracted, tendency to go into love affairs. Venus 7th house, again the same interpretation. Venus in 11th house, I told 11th house is also so more of female friends. Entertainment. Your motto is to enjoy, but don't destroy. Best, I think so, the movie Akshay Khanna and John Abraham. No, Akshay Kumar and John Abraham having multiple female friends. Air hostess. That is Venus. Having multiple friends, air hostesses, beautiful females. Nobody knows about each other. Don't hurt any other feeling. Diversion to concentration. So that is what we are doing. We are diverging so that we don't sleep. Very brand conscious. Everything related to brand is Venus. Exclusivity is Venus. So Venus, now you tell me all Venus dominant remedies, what can they be? Sulfur, yes. Veratrum, yes. Huh?
Fluoric acid also.
Fluoric acid, yes.
Platina.
Hyoscyamus, yes. Platina has a feeling that she is beautiful, but then people don't appreciate. So Platina is black in color.
Calcarea fluor also.
Calcarea fluor, yes, but then calcarea fluor is more of crudeness. It is not, see, we have to have beauty and sex both together. That appeal. Sancris, Eustilago, Murex. Phosphorus would be Moon and Venus combination again. Phosphorus is both love, it is a touch which is very important for phosphorus.
Murex is more of a syphilitic.
Syphilitic, na? So that is not a Rahu Venus combination, you will have syphilitic. But very excessive sexual desire in Murex. Origeron is one more remedy. So we learn new remedies. See why it is being helpful to me. So I have seen a person is like phosphorus or person is like Sancris, but then the chart is not matching. Exactly. There is some difference or there is something which I am missing. So I think of Eustilago or I think of Murex, I think of Origeron. So this is how it helps me. So you increase your knowledge of materia medica.
Kali nitricum.
Huh?
Kali nitricum.
I don't know much about Kali nitricum. Huh? Huh. Kali will be Mars Venus combination. See, all Kali is quarrelsome. Theme of Kali is family and quarrelsome. So you have Mars also in that. So nitricum may be Argentum metallicum. It is show, basically glitter. So this you can find all Venus dominated remedies. So there can be positive psychosis like how I said palladium. Negative psychosis will go to Sancris, Murex, Eustilago. So it is the entertainment, leisure, relaxation part in you. So very important. So that is what I told you, the positive side of Venus. So you work throughout the week, you want to go to a movie, that is Venus. You want to enjoy yourself, that is Venus. You want to spend time with your wife, that is Venus. Focus on self-presentation. So we have Veratrum. Venus rules over the endocrine system, especially hormones related to production of sperm and semen. So when we say about glamour, sex, enjoyment, so these are the things. So Venus is a Karak or responsible for marriage, for sex. So impotency, no sexual desire. So Venus Ketu combination, what it will be? Ketu I told indifference. क्या होगा? Tell me. Sepia. So simple. Are you able to get me now? You just have to analyze two things together. Venus Ketu would be sepia. Venus Ketu or Venus which is debilitated, when the Venus which is bad would be Sancris. We will think of, we'll take debilitation and exaltation. Debilitation means a wrong Venus. Exaltation means where Venus enjoys himself. We will take that afterwards. So Venus rules our endocrine system, especially hormones. They relate to production of. So I told you Venus in first house, means you would like to be very presentable, you would love diamonds. No. You would love diamonds, you would like to look beautiful, you will use perfumes.
Venus,
Or, huh?
Venus and Ketu combination.
Sepia.
Ketu.
Ketu is indifference. Or it can also signify that you are having relationship but which is only physical, no emotional contact at all. that also can be Venus and Ketu combination. Means just for body needs, it's not for entertainment or not for enjoyment. It is the need of the body. So where were we? First house. So you have Veratrum. So now we know you have Venus first house. Mein the first thing of Veratrum Palladium as a remedy. Something for whom beauty becomes very important. It is beauty, not sensitivity. Again, sensitivity is moon. Venus and moon are very close to each other. Moon is love, Venus is beauty. Venus is appreciation, moon is again only touch, which is very important for moon. It is sensitivity. Venus is appreciation. So, अगर suppose Saturn and Venus आ गया first house में, what the patient will feel? 4 seconds और Saturn means what I told, grief. It can be I am beautiful, people don't appreciate me, lamenting, appreciated, I am not. Then here comes Platina. Calcarea Sul, Platina. Appreciation, he is lamenting that he is not appreciated. Or sulfur components will also come. I am so good. Naja is despised feeling. Black Canam also will come despised. It is looked down upon. Lacanum is not related to Venus so strong. Lacanum has got sexuality, of course Venus is dominant. But in Lacanum you will have a despised feeling. Despised means looked down upon. So usme moon also should be there. There should be moon affliction also. It is sensitivity. See, despised feeling means there is sensitivity involved. Well, Venus you can say maximum appreciation. When something is so deep, that means you despise ke liye you need moon. That sensitivity should be there. So moon, Venus, Shani, yeah, could be Lacanum. Simple. Are you with me? So now you'll be able to understand. We'll be repeating the same thing again and again, again and again. First 2 hours was only a glimpse. We will try to go in details of everything. Now, for example, Venus. Now we are talking about Venus. Now, what did we say? Second house, where Venus will be prominent. I am talking now. First house we have taken the theme of I should look good. I should look exclusive. I will wear only diamonds. Venus is diamonds, beauty and richness. मैं गोल्ड नहीं डालूंगी, मैं खाली डायमंड डालूंगी. So this is Venus, first house. So Venus, where can it be more prominent again? Is second house. She can be a singer. Moon and Venus combination. A sweet talker. मतलब बोलते हैं मनमोहक. मतलब वो बात करते हैं तो I get magnetized. Talking with glamour. Speech, I told you second area, second house is speech. Poetic will be Venus and Moon combination again. Manmohak, matlab she talks, I get love in that, I get impressed by that person. Huh? Huh? Huh. So your Argentum, again, speech, where we get speech, so hoarseness because of overuse of voice, but then they are good speakers. So they have Venus, silver is shining, shine is Venus, with overuse of voice, तो थक जाता है. So Argentum, Metallicum, even Nitricum. So silver. Venus, again it comes importance in fourth house. Fourth house, what did I say? House of comforts. Mother. तो मुझे गद्दा, I want fan, but then I want a thick blanket. हाँ? Cozy. वो बोलते हैं रज़ाई. रज़ाई, what we call it? Quilt. A soft quilt. Calcareas. So Moon, Venus, Calcarea. So they want fan, but they want cozy. They want security. They want love. They want affection. They want space. They want luxury at home. They want a very good car. Again, Veratrum can come. So comfort. Basically, I want my house should be beautiful. Carcinosin. Paintings, beautiful, artistic. Again Venus. Fourth house, so comforts, love, affection, motherly, big. Venus. Fifth house, I told you that affection, love affairs. लड़की देखी सीटी मारी, that is fifth house, Venus. मिल गई तो अच्छी है, नहीं मिली तो चलो आगे. Seventh house is desires, again that is partnership. सबको शादी के लिए प्रपोजल देगा. हाँ, सबको शादी के लिए प्रपोजल देगा, नहीं दिया चलेगा. दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, that is proposal for marriage. This he wants. Which was that? Abir Khan and they used to dance the three friends. Amir Khan, which Dil Chahta Hai, in with Saif Ali Khan. That is seventh Venus. नहीं, इससे ही मैं शादी करूंगा. So remember, correlate with that character, Saif Ali Khan. So he loves her, he wants to get married to her. लेकिन वो ना बोल देती है, फिर दूसरा. It is my true love. हमेशा you tell यार ये she is my true love. That is Saif Ali Khan's character. Now this sixth house Venus. What did I say? Sixth house means hard work. What is competitiveness, work. Venus is what? Luxury. Venus does not like to be in sixth house. Does a person who like luxury enjoy hard work? No. The sixth house Venus is bad for you. So bad for marriage. You will get hormonal problems. You will get hormonal problems. You will not diabetes, divorce. That is sixth house Venus. Then we come to 10th house. See, I am giving you only prominent positions of Venus, so that you don't get confused. Otherwise, there are interpretation for every houses. But if you use the logic, you will be able to understand it much better. So 10th house, we have already discussed. In your career, wherever you are working, you would like to be surrounded by beautiful girls or boys, opposite sex. तो सेक्रेटरीज रहेंगे आजू बाजू उसके 2-3 हमेशा. उधर राहु होगा तो राहु वीनस, देन हो गया कल्याण. तो 10th house basically is Venus. 11th house, everything for money. I want money. 11th I told gains. So gains means money and female friends. So Venus rules over. Is it very clear? Understood? don't try to write down everything. Try to understand the logic behind it. See, I have not learned all these things. We are just trying to apply the logic. Once you apply the logic, it would become very easy. Because there are so many parameters, for you to remember everything would be very difficult. So understand Venus, understand the house properties, combine together. Then it would be easy for you.
House Venus is gain and money.
Huh?
Gain and money
Huh?
from
It is money. Means everything is related to money. Na? 11th house is house of gains. Na? See, 11th house, any planet is there, na? It is always good. They say it is gains. Means you may gain from female partners. It can also mean that. Got it? Gain from female partners. So it can be a wife, it can be a receptionist, it can be anybody. You will gain. So Venus rules your house. Positive Venus will have knave sexuality, sensuality, and therefore have carrying and affectionate qualities. When Venus prominent, can think of halogen group remedies, acid floor, tuberculinum. Now tuberculinum would be Mars and Venus. So simple. What is tuberculinum? Activity. Huh? But he is like phosphorus. Tuberculinum is hot phosphorus who cannot sit in one place. Activity, we will come, is Mars. So Mars-Venus combination is tuberculinum. So simple. Especially in 10th house. So 101% tuberculinum. Try to correlate it. Career is out of your house. Society, you have got Mars and you have got Venus. So hyperactivity, but Venus type qualities. Belladonna, very soft spoken, very mild, but then when angry is a terror. Hot face, that again is Venus. Hyoscyamus is Venus Mercury combination. Witty, सबको छेड़ना एंड जोक्स क्रैक करना. पीछे बैठा है तो मैंने नहीं किया, वो बुद्ध बोलेगा आई एम नॉट, वो उसने किया होगा, एंड देन विल लाफ. हायसाइमस. किसी ने कॉकरोच विक्रोच रखा होगा तो हायसाइमस है, फिर ध्यान में रखो. फिर कैनबिस, जंपर, अगेन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वीनस. अब ये इधर राहु वीनस हो सकता है इवन इन कैनबिस. कलरफुल क्लोथ्स, हम लोग बम बम बोले सब डांस करते बैठोगे भांग पी के जो, तो राहु वीनस, ये भी कैनबिस इट कैन हैपन. जंपर विल जस्ट गो ऑन डांसिंग, will not walk, will dance. Phosphorus, I told you, moon Venus combination. Veratrum हो गया. Bromium and iodine. Bromium, sir only recently told to us, if bromium is, what did we say, psychotic, psychosyphilitic. Iodine is sorosyphilitic. So bromium, you got more of respiratory affection, lower. Iodine is throat. And activity, Mars, Venus would be iodine. Again, phosphorus and bromine are very close to each other. That is what I have seen in my practice. But when respiratory complaints start from your throat and ascend, that is bromium. That is how we differentiate between phosphorus and bromium. When these two drugs come very close, iodine and tuberculinum will come very close. Iodine is conscientious, so we have got a strong group. So we mix one more. See, it's like a biryani. एक चीज डाल दो आप उसमें, तो आपको दूसरी रेमेडी मिल जाएगी. Got it? तो बिरयानी तिखी है, tuberculinum, उसमें थोड़ा मीठा डाल दो, conscientious हो गया, iodine हो गया. The tuberculinum, which is conscientious, we find more of iodine. Hot patient, active, So Venus, this is just playing. You love beauty. You enjoy life.